Greatness is a choice, not a gift, not luck, a choice. Every single day you decide who you are. When that alarm goes off, when your body's tired, when nobody's watching, that's when it's built. That's when character gets tested. Discipline, focus, consistency, those are the things that separate average from elite. Everybody wants to win, but not everybody wants to prepare. Not everybody wants to sacrifice their comfort for growth. You can't cheat the grind. You can't fake work. The game knows, life knows. You got to fall in love with the process. The lonely hours, the small details, the moments nobody sees. That's where the greatness hides. And when you fail, because you will, you study it, you adjust, you learn, you don't complain, you evolve. You take that pain and turn it into fuel. That's the difference. That's what defines you. See, success isn't something you chase. It's something you attract by becoming the person who deserves it. So every day you wake up with purpose, you put in the work, you stay locked in, even when it's hard, because that's what Mamba mentality means. It's not about basketball, it's about life.